Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on WhatsApp video call. So first of all, just open your WhatsApp application in your mobile, and then first of all, I'm going in settings, tap on these three dots, go for these settings. Now you have to scroll down and you can see this option help. Just tap on this help, and then in here I'm going to click where it says contact us. Just tap on this, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is great. The reason why you need to come here is because in here you are actually able to directly contact the WhatsApp support, just so you know, and for them you can explain that you need this function to be unlocked, that you can actually share your screen on a WhatsApp video call. So I'm going to write exactly like this to WhatsApp, so just keep watching where I show you exactly what you have to write. So you have to write something like this: I want to unlock the function to be able to share my screen on a WhatsApp call. I need this to be fixed for my account. Then you have to tap on this next button. Basically it will take a couple of minutes after you submitted this, but before that you need to actually, because as you can see you are now taken here, you cannot click on any of this. Just so you know, what you need to do is instead to click on that way below. As you can see, it says send my question to WhatsApp support. So you just have to tap on this, and then it will take like a couple of minutes for WhatsApp support to be able to respond back to you. As you can see, they responded back as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.